Welcome, today in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9 and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first we should just slide with our two fingers at the time to the center or just to hold for a while one from our device home screens, and after that we should click here to edit home screen icon. And then we'll see here the scroll effects. Just click here once. Now we have selected the classic one. We just can select one from these available animations. For example, I'll use the cube one or just the flip one. And just to save the changes, we should click here once again on the home button, and now we can see that we just successfully changed home screen animation on our ASUS smartphone. If you wanna just go back the default animation, just by the same way, go here to edit icon, tap the scroll effects and select the classic, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.